Hey everybody, something a little bit different today. It is a beautiful day out, and I thought Busy Dad might want to show people the garden. So this is the front garden. As we know, these are a little bit of troubled times these days, so I figured it might be good to grow a little bit more vegetables this summer. In these little boxes we've got spinach here. Got some strawberry plants here that aren't doing well yet. They're buried in straw because, of course, strawberries need straw. Got a little rosemary plant here, which is very old and been in a pot for a while. And in this new garden box we just bought this year, we've got in the front row peppers and an eggplant in the middle. Looks like we've got a couple peas sprouting. And in the back, some sweet 100 cherry tomatoes. They don't look so good. We've got a couple more seedlings not yet in the ground. We'll see how they do. This is the front garden. This is pretty small, and the reason it's all nightshades is because there's no protection, there's no fencing on this garden. We probably could see some critters come in here. I did tuck one kale seedling in here. This guy is at risk for sure from the rabbits. We'll see how it does. I usually don't walk around, film outside, so we'll see how this looks. Through the playset we come to the back garden. This guy is a lot bigger. We've got 4 beds, they were raised a little bit, but they're not raised anymore. They've kind of sunk into the ground. Fencing, thick across the top for like climbing critters like groundhogs. A little bit of low fencing down at the bottom so that rabbits can't burrow in. And here we do have some potted plants that I tucked in here for the first time. These are just leafy greens. These won't make it all summer, I don't think. So it'll be good to free up space. And then we've just got mixed beds. Over here, we've got a lot of lettuce growing. We've got one gigantic carrot from last year. We've got peas all along the outside. In this front bed here, some really nice looking kale. Peppers and eggplant in the front. There's a little bit more space, so I think because I've got some extra seedlings, I might tuck them in there. Over here, we've got the beginnings of some Swiss chard, a couple pepper plants, more peas, and over here is mostly going to be carrots. These little guys right here, these are carrot plants. I'm not sure if you can see. By the end of the summer, these will look great. Well guys, that's it. Hope you like this. This little garden here won't feed us all summer for sure. We still need to buy groceries. But if we can't necessarily get to the grocery store or can't get a great selection of fresh vegetables, this stuff will really help. I really enjoy gardening. If you all like this, let me know. Maybe I'll make some more videos as the summer goes on, periodically, letting you know how things are going. Maybe providing some tips and tricks. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed this. No cooking today. They'll be cooking later today in the house, but perhaps not a video on it. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Let me know down in the comments. Join me next time when Busy Dad is gardening, cooking, we'll see. Have a great day.